Is there a way to recover the missing photos on my Android phone?
Hello there. Ever lost some precious photos on your Android phone and wished you could get them back? Today, we're going to guide you through the process of recovering those missing photos. Don't worry, it's simpler than you might think.
Why did my photos disappear?
The first thing we need to understand is why photos disappear. This can happen due to several reasons. Maybe you accidentally deleted them, or perhaps an app misbehaved and wiped some data. It could also be due to an OS update or even because of a malware attack. Knowing the cause can help prevent similar occurrences in the future, but for the purpose of recovery, the method remains the same.
Are my photos really gone?
Believe it or not, when you delete a file, it's not instantly wiped off your phone. Instead, the space it occupied is simply marked as available. As long as new data hasn't been written in that space, your file can still be recovered. So, if you've lost photos, stop using your phone to maximize the chances of recovery.
How do I recover my photos?
Now, on to the recovery process. You can often recover your photos by using dedicated photo recovery software. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Connect your phone to a computer. Use a USB cable to connect your phone to your PC. 2. Enable USB debugging. This option is usually found under Developer Options in your phone's settings. 3. Download a photo recovery application. Download and install a reputable photo recovery application on your computer. There are many available. Some are free, while others might require payment. 4. Scan your phone. Once your phone is connected and detected by the software, initiate a scan. The software will look for the available spaces where your photos might still reside. 5. Preview and recover. After the scan, the software usually allows you to preview the found files. If your photos are among them, simply select them and click Recover. Note, it's important to remember that not all photos can be recovered. If your phone has overwritten the space where the photos were, unfortunately, they can't be brought back. And that's it. You've now learned how to recover your lost photos from your Android device. While it might not always be successful, this method does give you a fighting chance at getting those precious memories back. Remember, the key is to act quickly and avoid using your device as soon as you realize you've lost your photos. Good luck with your recovery process.